How are you doing today? This is 𝗕𝗄𝗥𝗘𝗫. You're welcome to this video tutorial. In this video I'm going to be showing you another amazing strategy. Actually, this strategy I actually uploaded this strategy about 2 days ago, about three days ago. Okay, in that video I said I was going to upload the second way you can actually use it to scalp boom and crash. You understand? So what I want to discuss in this video is the second method of using it to scalp boom and crash. Actually, there's another way to still use this strategy to trade other currency pairs, the volatility and all that, those that doesn't have spikes like boom and crash. You know, so there's another way to use them to trade on all those other pairs profitably. So for this one, you can only use it to scalp. Use to scalp. It is best to scalp with to scalp just one candle at a time. Every time the signal comes, scalp only one candle. Scalp only one candle and leave the market. Scalp only one candle, that's within 1 minute, and leave the market. So you wait for the next signal to come before you trade again. So for this strategy, it is actually good that you should use a moderately big lot size. You understand? Use that according to your account balance, as in the amount of risk that you can take, reasonable risk you can take with your account balance. So because the essence of this strategy is for you to be able to sharply enter the market and come out quickly. You understand? So let me quickly show you how the strategy work. So but before I get started, if this is the first time you're coming to this channel, please endeavor to subscribe to this channel. And if at the end of the day you like this video, which I believe you will do, please like the video and share it with your friends. So thank you so much. Please subscribe and stay tuned. So to get started, the first one that I showed you, just to quickly remind you, is that when one is on red like this, this one is on red, right? The down one has been on red and this one just changed to red, so you are expected to pick this candle. So when this the AO has been on red, right? Has been on red from here to this place. This is just an example to just quickly make sure you understand the difference between the two strategies. So this one has been on red from here to this place, right? So immediately this one also changed to red. You wait for the first candle on this one to change to red, right? So the second one that is going to pick, that is when you enter the market for sell, right? So that means you're entering around on this candle, at the beginning of this candle where the line is, right? So you're entering on that candle and closing it immediately the candle closes as well. So that is just only one candle that you're expected to pick. With this strategy, you can actually pick 2 to 3 candles, but is the best thing is for you to be safe, or to be on the safe side, to always be able to enter and get out of the market as fast as possible. So that's why you need to use a lot size that is a little bit big, you understand, but not unreasonably big, please. So depending on your account balance, so just try not to be greedy with it, that's all. So that's it. So the second one which I want to show you today is that is this right here. Is this one right here? Okay. When one is already on red, this one is actually two ways. When one is already on red, this one is already on red, right? The down one is already on red, and this one now moved. It crosses from the top to the bottom. That is the other that is the AC, right? Crosses from the top to bottom, that is crosses the zero level to the bottom, right? So that means you now wait for the first candle, this first one that that is red. because that is one that will help you to understand that the bar has crossed downward. You understand? So then at the beginning of this candle, of this bar, you enter the market and you get out once the bar closes. You understand? So this is the second method. So that's the first way to look at it. The second way to look at it also is, it may be that the other one has been on the downside, because this example that I made now, this AO now, this awesome oscillator now is on red. Despite being on red, is above the zero level, right? So if at the same time it has been on the okay, this point too, this is another example for the second strategy here. Okay, this one has been on red, this one has been the AC has been on red, and this will just change from top to bottom, move from top to bottom. So you expect to pick this candle, this second candle is one you expect to pick. Okay, so you enter at the beginning of this one and close it immediately. I mean, it closes. So that's it. So that's the second one. So anyone could have been down when it happened, before it happened. Okay, this one has been red, and this one just changed from top, just moved from top to bottom. Okay, so this is the candle you expect to pick. This candle. So you can see this candle now. So you can see from these examples I'm citing that it's actually good to stick to just one candle, because you can see this one, if you decide to pick two candles from it, you can get out with it, can get away with it rather. Then but if you decide to pick three candles, you're gonna get caught up by the spike. So which happened in the previous example I just cited it as well. So it's always good to stick to just one candle. You can never be wrong. You can never go wrong picking just one candle and getting out. You can also, check this strategy very well. Check it on your demo account. I mean, practice on your demo account. So to be sure of these things I'm doing, because this is something that I've practiced over, and a lot of people that are using it, I've given testimonies about it. So you can never go wrong picking just one candle with this strategy. Just one candle at a time. Pick one candle at a time and get out of the market. Wait for the next signal before you enter the market again. So this is it. You can see it. Just one candle, and this is it here. It is always correct, always accurate. So that's it. Always correct, always accurate with one candle. So you can see this one as well. So that's how the strategy works, guys. So I believe you can understand it now. So let's just quickly check crash also. It works for all of them, all the boom and crash. It works for all of them. So okay, this one has to be moving up, you understand? Because you are going to be buying in crash while you are selling on boom. You're selling boom, you're buying crash. So this is the candle you pick. This is the candle you pick here. So that's how the strategy works. So you can see it. So just one candle and you're out of the market. Just one candle and you're out of the market. With this, you can easily make $1 per candle. You understand? You can just set your lot size in a way that at the end of the day you're having $1 per candle on each of them. So that's it, guys. You can see the strategy is simply amazing. It's simply very, very profitable. So just stick to it. Make sure you stick to picking just one candle and entering with a lot size that is not too big and not too small. So That's it, guys. If there's any question or clarification you want to ask about this strategy, you can please leave a comment below this video, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. We'll be leaving the setup for this strategy in the comments, in the description of this video. So please scroll down to the description box and use it to set it up on your phone as well. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click on notification bell. Thank you so much.